When you make this Moringa, Rosemary and Fenugreek hair growth oil, you will have a powerful hair growth oil for your healthy scalp and healthy hair. These herbs combined together will make a potent and powerful hair growth oil to nourish your hair, keep your scalp healthy, get rid of scalp conditions such as dandruff, and make hair thicker. Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this powerful hair growth oil using rosemary herb. Now I'm using rosemary herb because this is so powerful. It is a natural hair loss remedy. It can help to strengthen your hair, nourish the scalp, and promote a healthy hair growth. I am also going to be using fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is a great scalp conditioner. It can help to get rid of dandruff and some other scalp condition, and it will also make your hair thicker, keep your scalp healthy and your hair healthy as well. Also, I'm going to be using Moringa powder. Moringa powder is another powerful and highly potent herb that can help to promote healthy hair, nourish the scalp, and also get rid of scalp conditions. Moringa powder contains antibacterial and antifungal properties to help get rid of scalp conditions and keep your scalp healthy. So into this jar, I'm going to be measuring my herbs, starting with moringa powder. In I go with a tablespoon of my moringa powder, and I'm also going in with a tablespoon of fenugreek seed. I am going to be crushing my fenugreek seed just to make sure it absorbs into the oil faster, but you can choose to grind yours right away, and if you already have fenugreek powder, then just add a tablespoon of your fenugreek powder. So I'm going to roughly crush it using a mortar and a pestle and then add it into the jar. Once again, welcome back to the channel. If this is your very first time being here, you are most welcomed. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video to support this channel as well. On this channel, it's all about natural hair and natural skincare remedies, which I believe you will enjoy. So go ahead, subscribe and be part of the amazing community we are building here. Next ingredient I'm going to be adding is my rosemary herb, which I'm also going to be crushing using my mortar and pestle. I usually don't crush it, I just add it right away. So you can choose to crush it, you can also choose to add it right away. But I've noticed that when I crush it, it tends to release more flavor, it tends to release more nutrients into the oil faster. This is the reason I am doing so, and you can also choose to grind it using a grinder. Whichever one you find working for you, just go ahead and use. After adding all my herbs, I'm going in with my oil, and for today my choice of oil is olive oil, and you can choose any other oil that you feel comfortable to use on your scalp. Oils such as almond oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, they are great for the scalp as well, and you can choose them or any other oil you are comfortable with. I am adding about half a cup of oil, half a cup of olive oil precisely, or you can just add in oil until all your herbs are fully covered with oil and then mix thoroughly. Now you want to make sure that everything is well combined, everything is well mixed together, and then it will be time to warm up this in a double boiling method. Now the goal is not to boil it or cook it, it's just to warm up the herbs so it can hasten the infusion time, like it will help it to infuse faster. I usually do this for less than a minute. You don't really need need it to be too hot or really hot, just less than a minute, and then bring it down. Cover your jar properly and store in a dark place for up to 3 days. You can store in your microwave or inside your oven or even inside a cupboard. So I left mine overnight, but usually 3 days is the best. And after a night, I decided to bring it out and strain. If you want your oil to be smooth, then use a chiffon strainer. If you want it smooth, just use a chiffon strainer, because with this sieve it's not going to be that smooth, which I don't really mind. Alternatively, you can just keep your oil for a while so that the residue can settle at the bottom and you'll be able to filter your oil properly. So I am going in with my essential oil, and I'm using rosemary essential oil. I'm using rosemary essential oil because it is very potent in promoting and nourishing our scalp. It's very potent in promoting healthy hair growth and also nourishing our scalp. And I'm also going in with my mint essential oil. These two essential oils are very great for our scalp, but you can also choose other varieties of essential oil you are comfortable with. There are so many of them, and you can choose from the ones you feel comfortable with. So after mixing or combining your oils properly, our hair growth oil is ready. This is a powerful DIY Moringa, Rosemary and Fenugreek seed oil that you can apply to your scalp to massage your scalp. You can apply it at the tip of your hair to strengthen the tip of your hair, and you can also apply it all over your hair to condition your hair, strengthen your hair, lock in moisture, and nourish your scalp and your hair. This DIY Moringa, Rosemary and Fenugreek hair growth oil is very potent, and using it on your hair and your scalp once in a week would definitely improve your hair growth. You're likely to see a huge improvement within a short period of using this oil. So I hope you find this tutorial very helpful in making your own hair growth oil, and also don't forget to give this video a big like to support this channel, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what to think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye.